guys!
Hey.
So we just moved into our new apartment and we just got a shipment of Granitestone Diamond cookware and bakeware set. So we're super excited to make our first breakfast and use this new cookware set. And now we are going to unbox all of the pieces. It is a 20-piece set of cookware and bakeware. So we're gonna be able to do a lot of cool things. So let's just, wow. That's very pretty. It's like sparkly.
Yeah.
I love that. Wow, look at those skillets. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. That is so pretty.
I love the dark blue color.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Check that out.
Wow.
That's gorgeous. Strainer here. More cups. Ooh, fryer. Oh, I'm gonna make some crispy fries in this. Eventually you can steam some broccoli.
Really got one of everything that she'd ever need.
Yeah, I don't think this is... Oh, look at that. How cute is that? For our cupcakes, muffins, those egg things you make. Oh my gosh, cute. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is like beautiful, sparkly material. It is so pretty. Welcome to the Granitestone family. Oh,